Hi everyone, this is my third attempt to try to get my husband awake. As you can see, he's taking up my entire bed. You can hear him snoring. He's gonna start off slow. I'm gonna hear him. It's a soft snore. He gets louder. That's nothing. Here it comes. That's mild to moderate. Still mild. These are my pillows. This isn't my side of the bed. I've been trying to get him to move so that I can go to sleep. It's 2 a.m. This is me, I'm very tired. Oh, he's moving. Okay. At least my side is clear now. I can go to sleep. Here it comes. And there's our daughter.